Everybody, this is Easy Speeds and Feeds, and today I'll show you how to save your tapping data into the Easy Speeds and Feeds website. So this is the home page. What you want to do is click on Tap Data, go to Personal Pre-Tap, and here you'll find your tapping data. What you want to do is you want to add more. You want a big list so you don't have to look it up all the time. So click Add, type in whatever tapping data you have. We'll use quarter 20 for example. We'll put the hole diameter, put the drill size, and we'll add material also. Next, hit submit. After that, click on edit. And on this page, you can edit all of them. So if you made a mistake, you can go in there and change it. So we can change our 303 stainless to aluminum. You can go down our 256 STI, change that, and really change any of these, but we'll change that to 6061 AL. We go back to home. It should have all of it updated. So all you have to do is log in, and if you don't have a profile, you can create one. It takes about 1 minute, and you'll gain access to this function. So I hope you guys like that. I hope you guys use my website, and I be on the lookout for more videos. Thanks.